Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the classic song, This Little Light of Mine. I'll go ahead and play the song for you now, and then at the end of the song I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Alright, for this song we're using 4 chords from the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, the C add 9 chord, the E minor 7, and the D over F sharp. What's nice about these 4 chords is they all have a very similar shape to each other. In fact, we're not even going to be moving our 3rd and 4th finger. It's going to stay exactly where it is for this entire song. One thing you want to remember for the C add 9 chord, we're not going to be playing the low E string, so we need to start our strumming on the A string, and what we can do is use our thumb to come across the top and mute the E string so it doesn't resonate while we strum. For all the other chords, we want to strum all 6 strings. For the strum pattern for this song, we're going to be using the folk pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 3 and 4, and then that pattern repeats. The other important thing about this strum pattern is that for beat 1 of each measure, we want to only pluck the first note, or the root note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So let me just give you the G for an example. If we're playing the G chord, on beat 1 of each measure, we only want to pluck the low E string by itself. Also for this strum pattern, we want to put emphasis on beats 2 and 4. So every other beat, we want to strum harder for those. So let me go ahead and play this strum pattern for you really slow so that you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 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 1. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.